ensuring wash services before, during, and after an earthquake. In times of crisis, such as earthquakes, ensuring access to clean water, sanitation, and hygiene becomes paramount. Let's explore the responsibilities of key stakeholders before, during, and after such an event. Before an earthquake strikes, public health workers play a vital role in disaster preparedness. Their responsibilities include 1. Conducting community awareness, campaigns on hygiene practices, and emergency response protocols. 2. Inspecting and ensuring the functionality of water and sanitation facilities to withstand seismic activity. 3. Stockpiling emergency supplies such as water, purification tablets, and hygiene kits. Sanitary inspectors also have crucial duties to fulfill. 1. Regular inspections of sanitation infrastructure to identify and address potential hazards. 2. Collaborating with public health workers to implement hygiene promotion programs. 3. Providing technical expertise to ensure the resilience of sanitation systems against earthquake damage. During an earthquake, casualties require immediate attention. Their responsibilities include 1. Providing emergency medical care and first aid to injured individuals. 2. Ensuring the safety and well-being of vulnerable populations including children, elderly, and persons with disabilities. 3. Coordinating with relief agencies to facilitate the distribution of clean water and hygiene resources to affected areas. After the earthquake, these stakeholders continue their critical roles. 1. Participating in post-disaster assessments to evaluate the impact on water, sanitation, and hygiene infrastructure. 2. Collaborating with local authorities and humanitarian organizations to restore essential services. 3. Engaging communities in rehabilitation and resilience building activities to mitigate future risks. In times of crisis, the dedication and collaboration of public health workers, sanitary inspectors, and those attending to casualties are instrumental in ensuring the provision of quality and inclusive wash services for all. Together, we can build a safer and more resilient future.